Hey, thanks for checking out this video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick one on will your Super Duty fit 35 1250 aftermarket big boy tires. So let's get into the video and I'll talk about fitment issues, whether it works, what wheels I'm running, things of that nature. This is the rear end of my 2019 F250 Super Duty, and I'm running the stock 18-inch wheels that came on my XLT, and I have the Cooper AT3 XLT all-terrains on their 35 1250s for the 18-inch wheel. They fit great. I didn't have any problems in the back rubbing. There were a bunch of videos online that already talked about putting 35 1250s on the newer Super Duties, and they definitely work, especially if you're running a stock wheel. You just have to be careful if you're running an aftermarket wheel. Depending on what offset you have, you could have some problems with it rubbing. Now, what some of those videos that I saw on YouTube already didn't mention was that in the front, while there's no body rub with the 35 1250s, they do rub ever so slightly on the radius arm underneath the truck. There is a little bit of scraping. It took the pin off of both of mine in one spot, and so I'll show you that. But that is really the only downside of running these tires. But it does allow you with these aftermarket tires to run lower pressures, so you get a better ride quality. So I know out there a lot of people are trying to improve the ride quality on these trucks because they ride really rough if you're running the, the door sticker tire pressure. And so you can get away with running lower pressures with these aftermarket tires and get something that looks great on your truck. All right, so as you can see right there, while it is a tiny little mark, the tires do rub on the radius arms. And this wasn't talked about in other YouTube videos that I've seen that talk about putting 35s on a stock Super Duty wheel. So just be cognizant of that. For me, it doesn't make a difference, but if you're super picky about whether it rubs anywhere on the truck, just know that if you put these tires on, you may get a little rubbing on that radius arm. And here's the passenger side. You'll see this one has quite a bit more rubbing. Again, this is the only fitment issue you'll find with the 35s, is that they rub on that inner radius arm. That's gonna do it for today's video on Power Stroke maintenance. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.